Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back. So today I have a few things. So I want to show you this new binder that I got. I actually purchased this from Amazon and I just put the vinyl stickers on here. As you can see, two different sellers, kind of different color, but it still works. And then I have these scratch offs that I got from Etsy, and I will use these for my Christmas savings. And then these, y'all, I bought some items from a person on Etsy and she sent me these. I saw her YouTube video. It was an old video from last year, but I went on there and I purchased some other things and she actually sent me these. I asked about, I was like, do you still have them? I saw them on your video and she cannot sell them on Etsy, but she did send me these. So I just thought that was so nice of her. So cute. So y'all, the Coach had the pink powder collection. This is the only thing that I purchased from the pink powder collection. I wanted to get more things, but I was like, it's beautiful, but let me not just go in because I wanted some savings books and all of that. So instead of purchasing bags from the Coach collection, I bought this savings butterfly challenge book, and it came with envelopes, and I will link everything, and it has different envelopes, holiday savings, emergency, all of that. I just thought that was so neat. And then here's the book. I think she does, she has a newer book, but this is the book that's from a year ago, I believe. Might be a little bit older than that, but this is the first book. And I just thought it was so neat. It has different challenges in here. So about that. And it came with this pen. Also, the Forgotten 80s book. It's a different seller on Etsy. Y'all had to have this. It's scratch offs. Everything is laminated. Pink Panther, Strawberry Shortcake, Care Bears. Y'all, it took me straight to the 80s. I was like, oh my gosh, it's so neat. So I had to have it. And I will link everything in the description. If it's not there, email me. So I got that. And let's get to some savings challenges first, y'all. Let me put my coins that I have in here in my little jar. And this little jar I bought a while back. This is a little drinking jar, but it came from where did I get this? Ross. Yeah, $5.99 at Ross. So I thought I would put that here. Okay, y'all. So for my pink ATM, I ended up keeping my silver and black one because it just looks just like a real ATM. So I ended up keeping that. But what I want to do is, let me move this. I want to put, because I was trying to decide how I'm going to do my ATM. Yeah, so in my ATM, remember I showed y'all this Build a Bag savings book from Baddies and Budget. And I put in envelopes, I put the different challenges. So I want to use my ATM for these different challenges in this book. So a couple of my savings books that I purchased, I'm going to put the money in the ATM. So that's how I'm going to do that. So let me do that.
Please insert a paper bill. Enter deposit amount and press note
So I got
deposit to confirm.
$30 out of this envelope, and I'm just going to deposit it. And then
Please insert a paper bill. Enter deposit amount and press note deposit to confirm.
Okay, didn't I just do that? But anyway, so let me get this one. And in this one, I had $15.
Please insert a paper bill. Enter deposit amount and press Note Deposit to confirm.
Something seems to be off with this machine, but oh well. I wanted it to be a surprise when I open it anyway, so it doesn't matter if it's calculating the exact amount. But we'll put that in there as well. Okay, so let's move that out the way. And yeah, I'm going to use this box for something else instead of that. Wait, I have 10 more dollars, so I'll put that in there too. Today, I have my little envelope from Baddies and Budgets, and we're going to get started on this. I really don't even know how much is in here, but let's count. We'll get a little, I know the tens were, little tens were stuck together, so. Okay, so we have 20, 30, 40, 50, 65, 75, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97. So we're working with $97. And then the ones. Okay, so first I have no idea of how much the scratch offs are on here. So let's start with this one. Kind of got caught here. And this one is $20. So that one's $20. So let's get the $20. And where we're going to put the $20 is the ATM. ATM is on the side right here, y'all. So
Please insert a paper bill. Enter deposit amount and press Note Deposit to confirm.
I'm just going to stick it in the slot part of the ATM. And remember, I want to be surprised when I open it up, so it does not matter. And that would be this little compartment right here. We just put the money in. I'm glad it has two different slots. Okay, so let's try another. So we'll just do this one, the bottom. And that one is $15. So a 10, and we'll do 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we'll put that in the ATM bill compartment. Okay, so done with that. And let's do a couple of the Christmas. Well, what I'm going to use for Christmas. Remember, I purchased these on eBay. Isn't that cute? Not eBay, Etsy. That is so cute. And let's see. I really want to finish this one. And this is $20. Let's do 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. In the bill slot in the pink ATM. Okay. And let's see. Let's try this one. Okay, this one is the big bucks. This is a $25, 10, 20, 5. So we'll put that in the bill compartment. And I may not be able to get through this one, y'all. I wanted to finish this one out, but this looks like maybe a high bill amount. Might have to add some money. So this one is $15. So we'll do the 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Okay, so let me see what we have left. We have 10, 11, 12, $13 left. So you guys, you know what I'm gonna do? Because I don't know how much the scratch off is, of course, I'm gonna just put the $13 in. Let me see. Let me put it here. We're gonna put the $13 in groceries. So I'll put the $13 towards my groceries. That's what I'll do. So now in groceries, I have 25, 30, 1, 2, 3. I have $33. Let me turn the bills right. Can never have too much money in the grocery savings. And y'all, I will complete the category, the description of everything and the balance and everything. I just have not done that yet. But yeah, we'll put it there. So okay, y'all. So I got this beautiful Baddies and Budget Caddy here. And it was on sale, y'all. So I was so happy to scoop it up. It came with this Baddies and Budget little bag here. And inside of it, and this is the bag, y'all. And inside of it, I have this marker that I got from Crackle Barrel. And it just has a different color markers. You can just take them off like that. Thought that was so neat. Little flowers. It was $5.99. And y'all, I also have another caddy that I had when I first started. I'm acting like I've been doing this for a while. But I bought a caddy a couple of months ago. But yeah, this was neat. It was on sale. So I think she had a 40% off. Yeah, it was 40% off sale. So I was happy to scoop this up. And I have some more things, but I'm not going to do it in this video. I'll show you guys in the next video. Let me get my other caddy. I'll go ahead and show you guys it. Guys, this is my first caddy. And as you can see, I have a lot of stuff in here. And I bought this from Amazon. And I will link it as well. This is actually cleaning. I think they advertise it like a cleaning person would carry this around with them when they're cleaning homes and buildings and everything. But I like this one too. So yeah, this is how it looks. Very sturdy, heavy duty. And the Baddies and Budgets is as well. But yeah, I got a lot of stuff, y'all. A lot of my binders and stuff I keep in here. and then I put them away. So this little desk vacuum from Amazon, and y'all, it really do work. So it actually came in a 2-pack, and it is so neat. So since I did my little scratch off, I thought I would show you guys that it is really neat and it does work. The winner of this Easy Cash Budget Weekly Planner book is Cheryl Shelton. Cheryl, thank you so much for always coming on my videos, for subscribing to my channel. I really do appreciate you. Also, I'm gonna give you this, and this to keep your money in. It's going to be a couple of surprises inside, so I really appreciate you. Make sure you contact me with your address so that I can send this out to you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and have a good one.